What if the device in your pocket could do more than call? Before 2007, phones were limited, complex, and hardware-driven. Steve Jobs asked, "What is a phone, fundamentally?" Stripped to essentials: touch interface, computing power, communication. He rebuilt interaction from the ground up. Combined screen, processor, battery, and connectivity. Design interfaces to serve the user, not the hardware. Integrate music, phone, and internet in one device. Apps expanded possibilities beyond imagination. Multi-touch gestures became natural language for the device. The iPhone transformed how we connect and create. Jobs reduced complexity to essentials and innovated from there. A single device replaced many elegantly. Hardware and software co-designed with precision. Minimalism wasn't aesthetic, it was functional genius. Interaction felt intuitive, effortless, human. From pocket to palm, the world changed. Every new generation iterated on first principles thinking. Impact wasn't immediate, it was cultural. Connectivity, creativity, commerce, all redefined. Simple questions, rigorously applied, spark revolutions. Think different, starting from the basics. The interface became invisible. The experience became central. Jobs proved that simplicity plus insight equals impact. The iPhone wasn't just a product, it was a platform for human potential. Innovation distinguishes between a leader and a follower. Steve Jobs. Next, we travel back to the Industrial Revolution. James Watt and the steam.
If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Share it with someone who might enjoy it. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. See you in the next one.